OCO everyone, it's Philip Encroaching with iamCREATUREscience at iamCREATUREscience.com. iamCREATUREscience is now partnered with Chef Kai, cuisine extraordinaire of KT Foodies, to be the expert and guide you in the kitchen with meal preparation throughout your respective health journeys. Never let the unknown or lack of competency hinder you from healing your best self and discovering the innate creature in you again.
This is Chef Kai from KT Foodies, and I'm here partnering with iamCREATUREscience, and today I'm going to show you how to make our loaded oats. So I have 1.5 cooked oatmeal, I have 1 burrowed banana, honey, and chia seeds. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a nice garnish and to make everything look pretty so we can be excited about eating our meal for the time being. First thing I'm going to do, I should cut the banana. Go ahead and prep that out the way. Just pull it back. There we go. Get the little end piece off of it towards the side. Alright? Grab your knife. You want to do slices. I prefer like medium kind of slices for my oats. There we go. Just want to grab a little, like touch a little piece of it when you're cutting it, just so that it doesn't stick to towards your knife. There we are. And make sure you're paying attention when you're cutting so you don't cut your hands. Most of the time people who cut their hands or anything, they're not paying attention. So just focus. I'm talking on the phone. Here we go. So now that we have this bananas prep, I want to go ahead and make my plate nice and pretty. You can design this however you want, just use your creative aspect to it, perspective. You can layer it diagonally, horizontally, in a circle, whatever you please. The world is in your hands at this point. I'll do like a nice little layer of them. I can feel special when I'm eating my food. Alright. Kind of sticking to the board. Let's get that knife. Here we go. Nice and pretty. There we are. Now, rub my hands off a little bit. So you have it nice and layered. The next thing I'm going to do, I need 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I have 1 little spoon in here already, which is perfect. Just going to sprinkle it on the top. And 2 tablespoons of honey. If you have a good eye, you can use that, or you can just use your measuring cup, your teaspoon, excuse me. I like to do a nice little drizzle. Show you guys my drizzling skills. How to drizzle perfectly, you want to do, the further up, the more control you have. Not all the way up here, obviously. You can just take control of it. Nice drizzle on top of everything. And this is going to give it a nice little sweet taste. Here we go. Alright. Get a bowl off, of course. And here's your loaded oatmeal.